Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AUPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day today. Absolutely monster price movement and monster volume, well above average. All sorts of headlines for this one. So a lot of eyeballs on it going into Friday, including mine. And there's also a very, very interesting level here. And before I map this out, I don't want to make this seem like this is some sort of great discovery on my part and nobody else has noticed this and this is some sort of special skill. No, in fact, quite the opposite, actually. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of this level, and that level being right there at $14, and we'll call it 85 cents. Why do I bring all that up? Because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very, very dynamic price movements, and that's what we have going on here with 1485. Everybody from the longs to the shorts and everyone in between is watching that level wondering, is this going to continue to hold as support here like it's been doing a good job of? I mean, the price got down there several times, and each and every time it did hold, or is there some sort of bigger break to the downside? And what's interesting about all that is there just is not anything from a support standpoint until all the way down here at, we'll call it $8.60. Now, I'm not saying that if, this area is broken, then the price is going down to $9. I'm not saying that. My point is that just from a technical perspective, looking back here, there just simply isn't anything else over there. So that could definitely produce a nice little trading opportunity from the short side. But as always, use risk management, risk control, because if this thing continues to hold as support, that could be a very big springboard back to the upside. So keep that in mind. But yeah, 1485. Lots and lots of people are going to be watching that level tomorrow. What I'm also curious about is, can the price actually get above this trend line here? And this trend line here is just representing the fact that after that, surge up to over 17, it was all bears the remainder of the day. A pretty steep trend line, but the price just can never quite push through it. So I'm wondering if the price can get through it. And if it can with a high volume break, then from the long side, that could definitely produce some nice, upwards movements there. But yeah, 1485, if you take anything away from this video, that is definitely a very, very important level. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.